today we are going to be unboxing the Leo Vince slip-on exhaust for the S1000xr. This one is specifically for the Generation 2. Let's open up and see what's inside. It's very well packaged inside, as you can see. Nice bit of foam. This is what you have here. That's the exhaust there. Looks to be very good quality. Let's see what else comes in the box. You get some stickers, which are quite nice. They're not heat resistant, so do not put on the exhaust. Yeah, because I would quite like this one on the exhaust, but maybe not. A little note to register your product. Let's see, should be some fixings in here for the installing the exhaust. Yep. So we have the exhaust bracket where it will slip onto the original exhaust. As you can see, and it also comes with some spare bolts that will be used when we are hanging the exhaust onto the bike. And here we have instructions. So yeah, that's it. I'm looking forward to putting this in the bike, as you'll see in the next part of this video. It says ride, dominate and roar. So here we have my bike. We will need to undo this bolt right here and this one right here, and it should come right off. That's that one loose, and then loosen that other one, which is up here. Maybe put this down here for a second. Got a little nut on the other side, so that's loosened off. Pull that off, and then also it has that as well. So yeah. So that's it. Nothing else holding it on now. That's completely loose. So I will now remove the exhaust. Now I can remove this exhaust completely by just pulling it off. It slides right off. That's the original exhaust. You can see in terms of size, the silencer is very small compared to the original. Set that aside. So I have slid this bracket on to the exhaust now. I've ensured that this is on this side of the exhaust so I can screw it up easily. So that's the exhaust slid into the right position. So with the bolts it comes with, it wants this one into a washer and directly through and into the nut on the other sides. It's perfect. Get that through there, get onto the nut on the other side, screw it in. Now it's time to tighten up all the bolts. So I take this and tighten up the little one at the bottom there. And then once that's tightened, we want to tighten this. Obviously putting the correct part in, the correct socket, and a wrench on the other side. So that's nice and tight. And then just to make sure the one below is nice and tight. So nice and tight.